Hi, this video is regarding organizational analysis of Reliance Industries Limited, which is prepared by Agam, Achyut, myself Bhavin, and Parikshit. This was guided by Dr. Ishan Arya of La Trobe Business School under La Trobe University. So Reliance Industries Limited is a family-centric business which dominates Indian corporate sector and is now under Fortune 500 company with market capitalization of around 93.1 billion US dollars. They are diversified conglomerate with a vision of growth is life. Presently, Reliance Industries is in six major segments as shown in the figure, with largest complex designed refinery at Jamnagar. They have created a wealth at its focus and they increased their revenue by 56.5% in last quarter.
The current strategy of Reliance Industries to be a market leader is to form eco-friendly fourth-generation towers as a part of Jio movement. Mukesh Ambani also said that he was ready to forego his present revenues as an aim to create value for his employees, secondarily for the customers and community at the final stage. Generally, the organizational structure depends on the strategy and size of the business unit. Reliance Industries Limited follows hierarchical style of organizational structure with the head as CEO Mr. Mukesh Ambani. Although being a multinational conglomerate, the top level management follows the organizational structure, but the interdepartmental structures may differ.
Best analysis of Reliance Industries. Political environment. Political environment seems positive for the Reliance as it is following Prime Minister's vision of Digital India. By introducing GOP, Reliance is contributing to Digital India platform. It also gets support from the government as the company has been under the Make in India scheme powered by the government. Economic environment in India can be currently said to be unstable with immediate effects of demonetization and GST. Jio has somehow managed to attract consumers by giving off free data post demonetization. Even though the inflation rate has been high in India, Jio manages to provide services at lowest possible rates across the country, creating a partial monopoly. Social environment of Reliance Industries seems positive at the moment, as India is the largest growing economy in the world, which also means the largest consumer market any company can ever get. Secondly, the change in the buying habits of people also seems a positive sign for company, as the India's expense growth is 12% each year, which is more than the double of the global average of 5%. Technological environment of Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries has invested a whopping amount of 1.5 trillion rupees for the launch of Jio 4G. Secondly, Jio holds the largest share of VoLTE networks in India. And finally, Reliance is receiving the strong government support as it has invested 2.5 trillion rupees for Digital India scheme of government.
Now coming to three major challenges faced by Reliance Industries Limited. The first is evolving health, environment and safety risk due to the diversity and complexity in which Reliance operates, because any incident at refinery can lead to health, environment, security and safety risk for the employees as well as the surrounding environment. The second major challenge is domestic competition. The competition in the downstream segment has increased owing to newfound aggression of state-owned oil companies in India. It is similar in retail markets and the clothing industry as well. In the field of telecommunication, they face competition with various collaboration of domestic with international firms. The third challenge is the volatile raw material prices. The prices of the raw materials used by RIL are influenced by international market conditions. Depending on supply and demand conditions for product, increase in price of raw material may exert a material impact on the performance of the group if increased cost cannot be reflected in selling prices.
We have developed a model to demonstrate the organizational fit of an industry which operates in a large scale. Applying that model to Reliance Industries, the organizational fit of Reliance can be classified into two types: competitive strategy, functional strategy. And functional strategy is later divided into three fields, which are marketing and sales, supply chain, product development. Reliance competitive strategies: attracting, retaining, nurturing the best people, absorbing diverse technologies, and optimal operation of plants. Reliance functional strategies: partnering with Channel Viacom 18 as a marketing strategy, creating effective and transparent SCM processes between RIL and its suppliers, developing novel and proprietary catalysts and products to enhance profitability and Institutional capital and managerial ties are the resources that helps to operate in a highly competitive market. A firm's performance is channeled through their adaptive capability, which are their abilities to coordinate, recombine, and allocate resources to meet the different requirements of the markets they operate in. We have selected the given competency model to explain Reliance Industries' strategic fit. Reliance core competency is their ability to conceptualize and implement multi-billion-dollar projects. Their strong financial stability and unique financial engineering has created a high competitive edge in international market. For instance, they have partnered with Algatech by investing $1.5 million to build a pilot biofuel plant using its algae fuel technology. The triple bottom line is an accounting framework used to evaluate the sustainability of a firm's performance. It consists of three elements which ultimately contributes towards sustainability: social, environmental, and financial. Some organizations have adopted the triple bottom line framework to evaluate their performance in a broader perspective to create a greater business value. Reliance Industries' journey on triple bottom line performance commenced in 2004 and 5 financial year. They have gradually made progress in terms of expanding the reporting scope, developing a greater understanding of stakeholders, innovating new modes of engagement in defining a clear path forward in line with their sustainability strategy.
So let's have a quick look in the recommendations. Being the first one in the Indian market to launch 5G and 6G, they can be a best telecommunication firm. They can also expand to global market and strengthen their liquid position by faster on recent contacts and acquisitions of the market. Let's look conclusion. Reliance Industry is doing well by its performance, their strategic vision, and external environment is favorable for Reliance Industries due to fast growth of India and growing internet usage amongst Indians. Well alignment is found as per theory and practical. Thanks for listening.